Welcome everybody to Ontario Motor Sales. Today we're going to take you on a tour of this pre-owned 2024 Chevy Trailblazer LT all-wheel drive. This is a great find. This has only 30,000 kilometers on it, is a one-owner vehicle, no accident history, a certified pre-owned vehicle, and is an OMS original, which means it was bought here, serviced here, and traded here. So we know everything there is to know about this Trailblazer, and we're going to take you on a tour of it so you can have a great look at it from the comfort of your own home. Now, this features the cold weather package, the convenience package, and the driver confidence package. We'll show you all those features as we go through this video, but first let's start off with what is underneath the hood. We have a 1.3 liter 3-cylinder turbocharged engine connected to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Now, that little 3-cylinder engine still has lots of power with the turbocharger, but as you can imagine, because it's a small 3-cylinder, you get incredible fuel economy. And let's face it, right now, everybody will take incredible fuel economy. You can see from the side profile, it is a compact SUV, but there's lots of room in the back seats and in the trunk. We'll show you that in just a few moments, but we want to show you these really great looking 17-inch alloy wheels. I love the piano black with the machine finish as well. Looks really sharp, really nice contrast to this beautiful white exterior paint. Previous owner put window vent visors on the windows, so nice little accessory. And then you can see we have the satin aluminum roof rails up top. If you wanted to put crossbars up there, you could certainly do that. Now, as we slide around to the back, you can see the integrated spoiler up top, and then give you a full look at the tailgate here. Again, this is the all-wheel drive model. You can see that there, and the OMS badge because, like I said, bought here, serviced here, traded here. Now, power tailgate. And then inside the trunk, you can see there is lots of room to go to Costco, bring the kids to their sporting activities, or just do your groceries, whatever you like. Split folding rear seats, they both fold down or individually if you like. And then we'll close up our power tailgate, head around to the passenger side so you can see all four corners. Now, this is a great time to tell you about the certified pre-owned program. So with that, you're gonna have a 150-point inspection over and above the standard safety inspection, 3 months or 5,000 kilometers of limited comprehensive warranty, 3 months of satellite radio, and 30 days or 2,500 kilometer exchange privilege and more. It's a really great program. When you call, be sure to ask us about that. Now up front, you can see the great looking LED daytime running lights and the LED headlights. That's all surrounded by the nice piano black trim and a really nice looking front end just to kind of finish things off for the exterior. Now let's go take a look inside. We'll start off with the back seats and then work our way up front, and opening the door, have a look because lots of great features in here. You can see this big panoramic sunroof, stretches all the way from the front to the back. Nice cloth seating, a big center armrest as well. And then rear passengers don't have to fight over USB cords because there are 2 USB ports down in here, and that is also a regular home outlet. So lots of ways to stay plugged in and charged up. And then you'll also notice that the previous owner left in the floor liners as well. So a lot of nice accessories on this. Now up front, same idea, big panoramic roof. We have heated front seats, and this model features a power driver's seat with power lumbar support. And then we've got the floor liners down here. All right, let's hop in. Now, with the purchase of this Trailblazer, you're going to get 4 free oil changes, just as a nice way of saying thank you for doing business with us here at OMS, so be sure to take advantage of that. Now that we're inside here, have a look around at this great looking interior, lots of piano black trim, and then we've got that satin aluminum, all kind of just blending in, looking really fantastic. So now let's talk about the safety features you'll get with this, because it does have the driver confidence package. So you're going to get forward emergency braking, forward collision warning. We also have lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. We have the blind spot warning in the side view mirrors, a great rear view camera, and we have rear cross traffic alert, automatic headlights, and more. It's got all the great safety features you'd be looking forward to having in your next new vehicle. As well, we also have a leather wrapped heated steering wheel. You can see that right there with the cruise controls, and then the controls over here for our driver's gauges. It is a fully digital driver's gauge. You can see that here. Check out the odometer, 30,315 kilometers. Really nice low kilometers for this Trailblazer, so you are picking up a great find. Now the infotainment system, you can see here, has AM, FM, and XM satellite radio. We also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can see that there. We've got climate control, Wi-Fi hotspot via OnStar services, and more. It's a really great system. And then when we put it in reverse, as I mentioned, a nice clear rear view camera. Down here is our climate control. Then we have a wireless charging pad, plus 2 more USB ports, a 12-volt part. So again, lots of ways to stay charged up. And then here we have some of our safety systems, our sport mode, and the all-wheel drive lock if you did want to lock it into all-wheel drive. Nice little Chevy badge on the gear selector, and then our electronic parking brake is right there. And then I left the keys here to show you that we also have a remote starter, and the power tailgate are on the keys. So that's really great to get that climate control either cooled off or warmed up, depending on whatever weather we seem to be having in Ontario lately. Now this is our vehicle file here. You can see OMS original. This is the build sheet. So this goes through every option that is on this Trailblazer, and this is in the file for you to check out when you come in. Here's our loyalty card for your 4 free oil changes. And then here we have our Carfax, 1 owner, no reported accidents. There's also 6 service records, again, all here at Ontario Motor Sales. So a really, really fantastic find, this 24 Trailblazer with all these great features and options. Now you can reserve this online on our website if you want to be first in line and not miss out, or head over here with the family. Come take a look at it, take it out for a drive. You're going to absolutely love it, and you'll love the team here at OMS. Thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you soon at Ontario Motor Sales.